Guys, tonight I am making some homemade chili that's gonna knock your socks off. Okay, I don't have any tomato sauce, right? Or tomato paste. Usually you would use like tomato paste in your chili. I don't have any tomato paste, so I'm going to substitute that with a little bit of ketchup and some fresh diced tomatoes, which is probably even healthier than using the canned tomato paste. I mean, it's a different flavor. It's going to be slightly different. I think it's going to be lighter on the tomato flavor. However, it's going to be just as good. I've made it like that before and it came out really good. So, hope all is well with you. I got things started on the stove, as you can see. And now I'm going to add some little extra bits. And I want to do this part with you. I started it and I like to add a little bit with you guys, you know, to get things going. And I'm also going to have some plantains. I'm making some plantains with the chili. And I'm going to dice up some avocados. No cornbread tonight. I'm staying away from like sweets. I just had like some ice cream earlier, some Halo ice cream. So I'm staying away from like additional carbs and sweets right now. So I'm just gonna stick to the chili, some sliced avocado, and some plantains. And you know, I'm using red kidney beans, which is extremely rich in protein. And it's also packed with nutrients, those red kidney beans. So it's a very healthy, hearty meal. And then the brothy liquid in the chili is great for cold weather. It is freezing outside here in Montclair, New Jersey. So I figured, why not make something that's hearty, wholesome, everyone's favorite with the ingredients that I have in the cabinet. I'm going to use my own ingredients that I have. I'm not going out to buy anything else in this cold, snowy weather. So I'm improvising, and I wanted to show you guys that to let you know that you can improvise too at any given time, okay? Let's make some chili. Yeah, you heard the break in my voice? I need to do my vocal warm-ups. I'm gonna have to go work on that. So guys, I got started the night before because I cooked out the red kidney beans. These are organic red kidney beans and they're on the smaller size. I got these from Whole Foods. I already have onions in there. There's carrots in there. There is a little bit of olive oil in there. Yes, I'm gonna put that green pepper in there. The more flavorful, the better. And you know, you really can't go wrong. Make it veggie packed. I feel like just add on the vegetables. I added water from my Brita container. That's how I cook, guys. I use filtered water and in my cooking, and so you can see the carrots here and the beans and the green pepper, and the tomatoes are already cooked in so far. So I'm gonna hike up the stove. My chili powder. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize that I'm almost out of chili powder. Like, this is not okay because I like a lot of chili powder in my chili. But I'm gonna work with what I have. The goal is to put enough so that you could taste the chili powder just a little bit. You know, you don't want it to get lost in everything. You do want to taste it a little, so you want to put enough. Let's add a little cayenne pepper. I like to give it a kick, make it spicy. Woo! Spice up that bad girl, but not too much. You don't want to like put your mouth on fire. Like, don't do that. And I like to add a little cumin. This is a cumin from Walmart. You know, sometimes to get your discounted seasonings. Walmart's not bad with the prices. And they have a huge selection of seasonings. So I mix up my seasonings. I get them from different places. Sometimes it depends on where I'm at and what I'm out of. So I'm going to add some cumin I like to add a good amount. I'm so sorry I'm not measuring things for you guys. But I like to add a good amount of cumin. I like to taste as I go, so sometimes I don't measure. And I find like some cooks, like professional cooks, do that as well. And it's okay. Like my mom, she's made home cooked Jamaican meals for us for many, many years, and she doesn't measure anything. Like she tastes as she goes. So you're getting it raw with me. Like this is just how I cook at home, okay? I'm gonna now add some Himalayan salt, some Himalayan pink salt. Guys, I like to use, and this salt is by Himalayan Chef. I like to use pink salt in like, Himalayan pink salt in like soups, you know, like tonight's meal, a chili, only because I just want to get all the nutrients that I can, and pink Himalayan salt like has like extra minerals in it that are really good for your health, straight from the salt mines, and it's unprocessed, like totally unprocessed. So the flavor of this salt, I feel like it will go really, really well with the chili. So I switch up my salt. Sometimes I'll use Celtic salt, sometimes I'll use sea salt, depends on what it is. But for my soups, my broths, I do either Celtic salt or Himalayan pink salt. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit. A little bit goes a long way, so definitely don't OD. Do not OD. Look at that. Look at that bubbling. Ooh, that chili is getting ready for me, honey. Getting ready for me. You belong to me, baby. You belong to me. You belong to me, Daddy Chili. Daddy Chili. Cause the chili gonna get my body right. Like the chili is gonna do me right, get my body good. That's Daddy Chili. Add my black pepper here. Fresh ground black pepper by McCormick. I like the taste of McCormick, so that's why I like to use McCormick's. Not too much. And I like to taste as I go. And now I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Let me taste. Yum, 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 yum. Mmm. 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 Oh, she's spicy. Oh, she's good. Mmm. Oh, she's spicy. Oh, she's spicy. You don't want to put too much. I didn't make it too spicy. It's not crazy spicy, but there is like a strong kick. I can handle spice. If you cannot handle spice, be easy on the cayenne pepper, okay? So I'm gonna add a little bit more salt. I feel like it needs a little bit more salt, a little bit more olive oil, and I feel like it needs something else. Let me see what else I can put up in there. I'm gonna add that ketchup too. So guys, it's time to add that very special ingredient. Well, one of them. But a chili ain't a chili unless you add some garlic. When your ketchup is running low, you add water. And like if you're making something like what I'm making, you add water, shake, 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 and then you add it. And then you used up all your ketchup. Yeah. It's called extending the life of your food. Yeah, you extend the life of your food by finishing it all. You waste nothing. listen, when I was growing up, we didn't just get to throw out stuff. Like you have to finish it before you throw it out. Okay? Food, money, and food does not grow on trees. Well, some foods do grow on trees. You know what I mean. Don't go wasting food. It's not cheap. Food is going up. It's not cheap, guys. Find ways to save. Guys, I just want to say that I really like treating myself as I'm eating, right? So sometimes I'll do homemade fries. Like sometimes I just want to taste some oil. Like I'm using healthy oils or healthier type oils. But sometimes I want something that's like lightly fried on my plate, because sometimes everything is just super healthy and I just want like a little treat, a little fix for myself. So that's why I like to turn to plantains. I like to fry them. Sometimes I boil them, but I love to like lightly fry them up. One, it reminds me of back home, like my regular home cooking from Jamaica. And two, it makes me feel like I'm cheating, but like in a healthy way, and I'm okay with that. Like if I boiled it, then I would feel like like I'm really depriving myself, you know. So guys, my oil for my plantains, it's in the pot. It's getting hot. It's getting hot in here. And the chili is like almost done. So things are going well. Things are going really, 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 really well. If I should say so myself. I'm proud of me. I'm proud of me. Let's get this meal. Let's get this healthy, hearty meal. Let's get this popping. Popping. I'm gonna add the squash, the yellow squash, organic yellow squash that I got from Whole Foods. There we go. Mix her in. Let's mix her in. Let her cook a little bit. And now I'm gonna start the plantains. I'm enjoying these plantains, child. Oh my goodness. Listen, if you want to add some cheese, this is like vegan, okay? You could add some vegan Daiya cheese, your cheddar cheese. I actually prefer the mozzarella flavor. It's so good. I stopped buying the cheddar. Like sometimes I'll buy the mixed cheddar and mozzarella, which would be great for this chili. But I'm using the mozzarella tonight. It's very tasty. So I'm gonna add some cheese in my chili to top it off. Vegan style. Off to the side. And I think I'm gonna have the plantains on the side, like in a separate plate. Oh. So yummy. Yes, I love a good meal. You going in my bed? You're about to go in my belly. I am so happy. I love nurturing myself. I love taking care of me. Yeah. I only have this life right here, right now. Like I'm not ruining it for no one, for nobody. My neighbors are sleeping. It's cold outside. I said, I got the perfect remedy. I'm gonna take good care of it. I'm gonna make sure you're fed right. I'm gonna make my man some chili, 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 chili. I'm gonna make my man some chili, 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 chili. Yeah. Chili, like right now, like it's going in my mouth. And yeah. I don't need no little spoon. Don't give me no little spoon for my chili. I need a big spoon. I need a big spoon. And so don't give me no little spoon. I need a big girl spoon. Because I got a big girl appetite. What? Suddenly, I'm not so chilly. Because I got my chili. Guys, this is excellent. It's excellent. That fresh, home-cooked beans. I had to cook the beans out first, okay? Like I was back in the 1950s. Like back in the 1900s. Okay, 1902, before canned beans came around and we had to cook out the beans. That's what I did. Like I took it back. Like I took it so far back that y'all not gonna know what to do with me. Yes, I cooked those beans in my chili. I cooked those beans that I put up in my chili. I put hard work and labor into my chili. I deserve an award. But before I accept my award, I'm gonna go eat this bad girl. And thank you for watching. I appreciate you. I love having you here, having you around. You're awesome. And I'm hella hungry. And I'm gonna see you guys soon with maybe another fashion video or maybe another food video. Who knows? Just stay tuned. You know, whatever it is, it's well thought out and it's for you guys and it's gonna be wholesome. It's gonna be important, to say the least. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Comment if you have any comments, if you have any suggestions. If you want to check out this meal and try it and cook it, let me know how it goes. Just let me know. Just let me know because I want to hear from you guys and I want you to share these videos, you know. I'm trying to do the damn thing and I need help. I need help doing the damn thing. So I need your help. Much appreciated.